Hello friends, welcome to my channel SolidWorks tutorial. Today we gonna solve exercise number 51. We will use SolidWorks 2020 for designing this part. This free SolidWorks video tutorial will help you learning 3D CAD designing. In this video you will learn the use of various SolidWorks tools like circles, rectangle, trim, fillet, extrude cut, and extrude. We will use only 4 sketches, 3 extrude and 1 extrude cut command for completing this exercise video. First, we gonna sketch the front view, and then extrude. Then we will create the arcs. And then extrude cut the bottom part.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Left-click on Right Plane and select Sketch. Now take Corner Rectangle command and draw a rectangle. Again, draw a new rectangle like me.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Width is 60 mm. Height is 30 mm. Width is 15 mm. Width is 30 mm. Height is 15 mm.
Now take Trim Entities command. Press OK. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Reverse direction. Length is 100 mm.
Press OK.
Now we will make these arcs. Create a new plane, parallel to the front panel. Second reference, midpoint of this line.
Press OK. Now take Circle command.
Select these circles and make them equal. Repeat as earlier. Make equal.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 50 mm. Diameter is 25 mm. Center to center distance is 50 mm. distance is 25 millimeters.
The sketch is fully defined. Now take the line command.
Enlarge the plane. Now it looks perfect.
Now take Trim Entities command.
The sketch is overdefined.
Press OK.
Double-click on the red color word overdefined. Click on Diagnosis button. In this case we will accept solution number 1.
Press OK.
We need to split this line for extruding the sketch.
Now take Trim Entities command. Now take the line command. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Select Offset. Offset distance is 30 divided by 2 equals to 15 millimeters. Select Up to Surfaces. Select this surface.
Press OK.
Show the sketch.
Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Reverse direction. Select Offset. Offset distance is 30 divided by 2 equals to 15 millimeters. Reverse direction. Select Up to Surfaces. Select this surface.
Press OK.
Hide the sketch. Select these corners for fillet. Fillet radius is 15 millimeters. Select these corners for fillet.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view. Left click on this surface and select sketch. Now take corner rectangle command and draw a rectangle.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Width is 10 millimeters. Width is 10 mm. Height is 10 mm. From featured menu select Extrude Cut command. From the drop-down menu select Through All.
Press OK. Congratulations!
If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.